3, 2, Mike.
Hey guys, thanks for joining Mike and Jay here in the Midnight Mod Garage. We've got another cool episode for you tonight.
So today we're going to show you how you can restore the window trim on your car using nothing but spray paint. So the IS300 is actually approaching her 20th birthday. I mean, she's almost old enough to drink. And at a distance, it might look as though the years have been kind, but they haven't. So we could do a walk around the car and point out all the imperfections on the bodywork that are spattered throughout. But today, what we want to concentrate on are these.
So guys, on any restore process of this kind, the first step is always going to be disassembly. Now because this is Jay's car, and he is a good friend of mine, we're going to make sure we use the right tools and don't mess anything up.
All right, so now with the window trims removed, it's a perfect opportunity to clean up underneath and get rid of some of that grime that's collected over the years. This is going to make the reassembly process a lot simpler.
Now we're going to take some 800 grit sandpaper and lightly go over these. Remember, we are working with rubber. We just want to remove whatever paint is still left on it. First, we're going to get all that shit off. Oops. First, we're all going to get all that stuff off.
I think we can say shit.
Yeah, and we can say bitch too. They say it on TV shows.
So in the true spirit of the holiday season, Mike and I have been doing a lot of shopping on the dark web. And one of the things you can find there that you can't find anywhere else is rubbing alcohol. Alright, so you're probably thinking that a trim restore paint is the best thing to do for a project like this, but what it's going to do is leave another matte finish, and what we're actually looking for is more of a gloss. So anything that's actually high heat or heat resistant, like a wheel paint, is going to work perfect.
Alright guys, so just like on the wheels, we're going to do 2 light coats, followed by a medium to heavy coat. I'm not sure if we're going to actually use clear coat on this. This stuff is heat resistant up to 250 degrees. So it should be fine. I know the last time we painted these, which was about 5 years ago, we did not use gloss, and they lasted this long. Here we go. All right, so to put these back on, all you're gonna do is slip them over. Give it some elbow. Roll a drop.
All right, guys, that's it for this episode of the Midnight Mod Garage. Thanks for joining us. If you like these videos, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Remember, get in the garage, get dirty, and stay tuned.
We'll see you soon. Pushing me out with your giant kneecaps. Ow, fucker.
Yeah, go ahead. I dare you.
Ow.
How'd that fucking feel, you dumbass?
Oh,
You get that?
man, that really fucking hurt. That was like hitting a compressor.
Come here.
Stop it.
Come here.
Stop it. Alright, guys, the end of this episode. Like, share, and subscribe.
Help me up. Help me. Help. Oh.